This is digital metronome by abronexports. It is for the chirograph and other experiments. This one is the volume. You just see this volume is there. You can increase or decrease the volume. See, this volume is there. And intermediate the beats. You know, this is a beat, intermediate beat. After how many seconds and how many beats per minute. I can increase it to 60 or 58 beats. I can reduce it 50. I can make it 60 per, and this one is an intermediate. After every one there is one. It will be after every 9th. And this will be after every 8th. You can increase or change. And then you can switch off. You say when the beat is there, you can see the indicator will be, you know, this indicator will be showing you the beats. You see this beat indicator will be there. And very easy to use. These are only for calculation for this finger and other power testing machine. When you do it like this, it should be done at the beat like this. You put the weight and see the fatigue. Thank you very much. Please visit our website and subscribe to our channel and abron01@gmail.com and www.abronexports.com. Thank you.